Gomez from Philippines, 75 years old. I have a very high immune system due to phytoscience product. And it started last 2016 when phytoscience double stem cell was introduced to me. And I was really very thankful that God gave me the way to know phytoscience double stem cell. And first to God, next is to Dr. Fred Zuli for inventing the product. You know what? I am a survivor of stroke. Then comes next is heart attack. Then followed by 7 open heart bypass. And really, God is so good to me and the product that led me to phytoscience. You know what? I earned more because I aired it over the radio, no? It was aired over the Philippines, and many came to me to ask me, when we were in this station, many were coming, many were calling, but we were not able to accommodate them because it was a limited time, 30 minutes only. But many orders came in throughout the Philippines, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, and I made my first million in 7 months. Because of phytoscience double stem cell. Now, since crystal cell was introduced, I also am now using crystal cell and stofil as well. I will tell you that phytoscience double stem cell and crystal cell really made good to me and my family. It helped many, and I'm really thankful to God and to Dr. Zuli and the management because of what had happened to me. And thank you. I know you should patronize this product of ours because it's really very good. It made wonders and have helped many people. Many people were already using in the Philippines. That's why, last 2017, we were the first one, no? Number one throughout the world, Philippines. Now, due to the thing that happened to us 2 years ago, the COVID, of course, the sales went down. But now it's coming up again, rising up again. And we should exert more effort to make business with that because it will make good to our health, like me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Phyto.